Thank you very much for coming here. I do hope you find something useful that can help you on your journey through the internet.
In today's video, I shall be talking about getting started with your digital marketing strategy. Products versus solutions. Remember that your advertising and marketing messages will certainly differ substantially if you're offering an item versus supplying a service. Service. We do get tongue-tied now and then. When you're making a solution, say you're on the internet accountant, you should consistently bear in mind individuals that you're offering. Yes, the look and feel of your internet site are crucial components. However, you must always remember the people you serve. Marketing for services integrates photos that communicate the preferred tone, atmosphere, and also personal links to your solution for your customers. Visual possessions for products, on the other hand, can be more artistic and abstract. You wish to provide a sensory impact of your item or the experience of consumers using your products. B2B versus B2C. When you're making a solution, say you're on the internet accountant, you should consistently bear in mind individuals that you're offering. Yes, the look and feel of your internet site are crucial components. However, you must always remember the people you serve. Marketing for services integrates photos that communicate the preferred tone, atmosphere, and also personal links to your solution for your customers. Visual possessions for products, on the other hand, can be more artistic and abstract. You wish to provide a sensory impact of your item or the experience of consumers using your products. B2B versus B2C. In lots of ways, your marketing won't generally transform based on courting other services or customers straight. There's one basic distinction to bear in mind when crafting your marketing products. The primary object of B2C marketing is maintained customer loyalty. To complete this, select images as well as slogans that generate trust in and fun and also sense of incorporation. B2B advertising, on the other hand, is all about making your brand name attractive to others. Select images and also materials that communicate authority within your industry. You intend to be a thought leader in B2B advertising. Relying on your service design, your site can have a handful of web pages or hundreds. There's truly no ideal or incorrect. Nevertheless, there are 5 main web page kinds that you should usually consist of to describe that you are and what you do. These are truly the core components of a good website. Homepage. Your homepage works as a digital table of contents for your website. When it concerns your visuals, you can supply photographs for your website or work with a specialist photographer who can provide you custom-made photos that exactly match what you're seeking. The homepage for a small company bookkeeping software application firm, FreshBooks, is an excellent instance of a reliable homepage. The top has solid visuals, consisting of screenshots of their software and also compelling messages that show the distinct selling factor of their products. For people that are not ready to register for the software application, they can scroll down to learn more if they need to. There are additional links to every significant web page in the footer, making it easy to use and also very easy to navigate. Regarding page. Lots of people use their regarding page to inform the story of their service and also that they are. It only takes a sentence or more to allow people to understand that you are, and also to discuss how you work, as well as a prospective customer should utilize your service or product over other persons. This concerning page by Frank Digital is the best instance. It provides a one-sentence biography. After that, explains their imaginative procedure, film society clients, and honours. Although it has a fair bit of message, the graphics are beautiful and the clean layout makes it simple to read. Each section is self-contained, so a prospect can avoid about and also obtain the information they need to make a decision. Services or products. Lead generation. Your solution web page needs to detail precisely what you do as well as just how you do it. If you use a variety of services, it's a good idea to develop a web page for each one. This is better for the individual since it permits you to offer even more information and details regarding your offerings. It's additional advantages for internet search engines like Google, allowing them to rank your website for even more keyword phrases. You can likewise create bundles for your solution, as well as include acquired buttons on your page to give customers much less of a barrier to do company with you. E-commerce. If you sell a product online, your website is your storefront. This is where your customers surf to find out what you're offering and also make purchases. There are two major kinds of e-commerce web pages to highlight your wares: groups as well as items. Category pages include groups of similar items you're marketing, where item pages enter a deepness with specifics for these things. An instance of a category web page on Shuttlecock, history images page, and a certain item web page for a background picture we provided resembles this. Depending on how big your website is, as well as the intricacy of the item you supply, you might intend to utilize subcategories as well as obtain even more grandeur for your customers. Blog posts and references. Blogs writing is a terrific way to create information material on your site and get individuals involved with your brand name. In additional assets, construct your brand as well as act as a PR device. A blog site is additional advantageous for search engine optimization due to the fact that it permits you to be able to place for beneficial long tail keywords that individuals are looking for. These are terms that are related to your service but are more in the direction of a top of the purchase channel. indicating that individuals use these search terms when they remain in the information gathering stage of the purchase process. This is an important minute in the purchase procedure, with 81% of consumers conducting study prior to purchase. Developing materials for these terms and getting them to place in Google will certainly get more eyeballs on your brand name and help place you as an ideal leader to your section. Resources web pages resemble posts, yet they are usually long-form items created to give extensive details or specifics about your services or product. If you're marketing a product on your site, your source area could have installments or arrangements, instructions, or a response to frequently asked questions under FAQs. If you provide a solution or assessment, a source facility might include case studies or your profile of work.
Thank you very much for coming here. I do hope you find something useful that can help you on your journey through the internet.